In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Google account permanently. To get started, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you are signed in to the Google account you want to remove. You should land on your inbox. Before you continue, take a moment to understand what deleting a Google account means. This can affect Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, Google Photos, and any other Google services tied to that account. If there is anything important you want to keep, such as emails or files, it is a good idea to back them up before you delete the account, because deletion is intended to be permanent. Once you are in your Gmail inbox, look toward the top right area of the page for your profile icon. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In that menu, select the option that says Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings in a new page. On the Google account page, find the search bar within the account settings area. Click into that search field and type Delete. This helps you quickly locate the correct setting without digging through multiple menus. As the results appear, choose the option labeled Delete your Google account. Click it to open the account deletion page. At this point, Google may ask you to confirm your identity. If you see a sign-in challenge, click into the password field and enter the password for the account you are deleting. Then proceed to continue. This extra check is there to prevent someone else from deleting your account without permission. After you pass the verification step, you will return to the deletion screen. Read the information on this page carefully. Google will describe what data and services will be lost when the account is deleted. Near the bottom, you will see checkboxes to confirm that you understand the consequences and agree to the terms. You must check the required boxes before you can continue. When you are ready and you have confirmed the boxes, find the Delete Account button and click it. Google will then process your request to delete the account. Take your time during this final part because once the account is deleted, access to associated services and data may be removed. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.